Hi guys, nice to see you again and thank you for watching Cooking with an Italian. Today we're going to cook some very Italian, typical. It's not for everybody, but I hope everybody can try it because it's absolutely delicious. We're going to cook a tripe stomach, the beef stomach. We call a tripa with some nice ingredients. It's basically it's the stomach of a cow. We need. I want to introduce you just Enrico Officer's master chef with secret weapon.
Fly zappers!
Because he gonna help me all the time if some flies coming here. He help me. Anyway.
And I have another secret weapon.
Show me. The gun. Okay.
Hands up, everybody.
Okay, here we go. Now, for this tripa stomach tripe, we need 3-4 ingredients. I chop already some carrots with Enrico, celery, chop
With
like this,
Enrico.
with Enrico, couple onions,
Without.
very little. We need passata and some plum tomato, and this is the tripe, is the stomach, you know? Is something very nice. This is very we cook in all Italy, but the most famous is tripa alla romana or tripa alla fiorentina. In Florence and Rome they have a very big dish, but we cook everywhere. I cook the way my mom cook. It's absolutely delicious. Okay guys, I show you the ingredient now. Make sure you have a big pot because everything gonna be inside. The oil is already on and we start from the vegetable, okay? Carrots on.
Celery on.
Celery in.
And onion in.
Onion in.
I already said that.
Well done, Enrico.
You sure?
You stir everything, mix everything. When the vegetable they brown a little bit, we add some salt, pepper, garlic powder if you like, any ingredient you like. The one thing I forgot to put is it's a nice spice, but it's not obligatory. If you like, put because it's absolutely delicious inside. Yeah, just chopping three, just with some flavor. Later we can pick it up. Okay. Now, couple minutes browning, and we start have some salt, you know?
Sea salt.
Sea salt, always sea salt, black pepper, and later on the way,
Garlic powder if you want.
on the way always try it, and if you need some, yeah, garlic powder I like.
If you want to. If
Yeah.
you don't like it, it's fine.
Another
Not obligatory.
thing is not obligatory, is some
Pepper.
paprika, the powder, the sweet paprika, okay?
Well, we like it, so
Yeah.
it's easy.
Okay guys, nowadays we
And
wait,
you mix again.
yeah, we leave it to cook around 3-4 minutes, and I show you the next step. We wanna add the tripe, the stomach, in the pot, okay? Okay guys, you know the vegetable, they browning, add always salt and pepper the way you like, and now,
And make sure to not overcook it.
yeah, and now it's the time to add the tripe. Remember, cut like this, you know. You're not gonna be precise because I have a small, you know, up to you, but more or less gonna be like that because gonna stream a lot. Okay, everything inside. Someone put some white wine here, but I don't want to use it. But up to you. Oh yeah, fantastic. Because a lot of water gonna come from here. This stomach you find in Italy, you find everywhere, but you can find from your butcher. You can order it, and this is always already clean and already half cooked. You know, it's not dirty. Because when you see this, the beginner, it's very disgusting. But later, it's clean properly with the professional stuff, and they can sell it and you can eat.
But if you the person what cleans it, you have to do a lot of work and you have to see the disgusting.
Yeah, that is it's not very nice job, but someone do it. Anyway, this was already half cooked, okay? And now we cook this around another 5-6 minutes here because the smell is a little bit stronger, you know. But that's why we add this vegetable, a little with the sauce. Gonna be absolutely delicious.
They only tomato sauces.
Yes. Okay. We in 3-4 minutes. I'm gonna show you when we add this sauce. The job is done. I'm gonna cook around 1.5 to 2 hours. I'm gonna be more precise later. But see you in 4 or 5 minutes when we add the sauce. Okay, guys, 6 minutes they gone because this tripe is watering. You know, look how much sauce is here. Okay, that is good. Now, what we're gonna do? We add inside some.
Wait, so we have sughetto and plum tomatoes. But before you do this, you have to put your hands up.
Okay, the passata in and the plum tomato leave. Voila, just you smash, you break them inside, mix everything. Now this tripe gonna cook very gentle. We put the gas on minimum, very on minimum. We put the lid on, leave to cook around 1.5 to 2 hours. I'm gonna be precise later because this anyway it's gonna become very soft. That the tripe is gonna dry a little bit, gonna be a little bit thicker. I'm gonna show you later, and gonna be absolutely delicious. Anyway, see you in around a couple hours. Okay, see you later. Guys, I want to show you after 1 hour. It's absolutely the smell is super. Guys, I cannot wait to try it. Sorry for the steam, but gonna be delicious. 2 hours. Look at that. Something absolutely amazing. It's super tender, nice. The flavor is absolutely amazing. Now I want to introduce you
my soft toy from Italy called Fluffy. And have you did the Italian videos yet or not?
Soon gonna be on. Now a little bowl, and now it's time to try. Guys, always if you like, subscribe on channel, check our website, and share with friends this video if you can. Oh, look at that, guys. Okay, now the last touch here. Someone used pecorino romano. I tried to find it, but I didn't find it. And or parmesan. I find the parmesan. I use the parmesan. Okay, this is very good. Parmigiano. And now, guys, it's time.
Try.
Yeah, I have.
First you mix and I eat it.
Look at that. Guys, it's absolutely delicious. Wow. Enrico don't like it. My partner don't like it. I have to eat all this one, okay? But I'm happy. Anyway, guys, vieni Enrico. Yeah. The tripe or Tripe alla Romana or Fiorentina is this. If you like, finger
up
and follow us. Ciao.
Ciao. Finger up and follow us. Ciao.
Ciao.